Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Good morning guys. So today I'm starting the vlog off. I'm sitting in bed editing yesterday's vlog. I can't even believe in the vlog I actually said I'm not going to create too much footage for myself. I'm going to try to keep the vlogs like on the shorter end so that I don't stress myself out with having too much footage. And guess what? I had an hour and 46 minutes of footage.
Which is also my fault.
He just likes to film everything and then says like, oh, whatever you don't want to use, you don't have to use. And then I'm like,
I just want to make sure you have enough.
I've spent now, like I'm not even joking, I think 8 hours editing this vlog. So I've been editing this vlog for a ridiculous amount of time, but it's finally like at the tail end of it. I had a haul in there, so it made it extra long. Let me know in the comments if you guys prefer shorter vlogs or longer vlogs. I don't want to make my vlogs too long and like too boring. But yes, I'm just gonna work on the vlog now. Then I'm gonna start getting ready for the day. We're gonna go pick a Christmas tree up. I don't know what it's gonna be like though, because it's like raining outside. We've never got a Christmas tree when it was raining.
Yeah, but I was just saying earlier that's actually good for when you want to flock it, because usually when we flock it we have a spray bottle with water and we have the flocking powder, so if the tree is already wet then you don't have to spray it that much.
Yeah, that's true, but still it's gonna be really unpleasant to have to pick the tree in the rain.
Yeah, obviously.
And I don't know how this is possible, but we live in Vancouver and it rains here constantly, but we don't own an umbrella. Like,
no, we have one.
Where?
In the car, in the trunk.
Oh, the one you bought from the dollar store? Or Shoppers or something? One year we went to the Christmas market. Yeah. It was the opening night of the Christmas market. We were so excited, but it was literally coming down in buckets. It was probably one of the craziest times I've seen the weather here. Like, just absolutely pouring. So Sebastian ran across the street and grabbed some umbrellas from the Shoppers Drug Mart. They're complete trash.
They were good for that day.
So I just finished editing yesterday's vlog. It's 1:13, so it's pretty late now. I'm gonna get ready for the day. Sebastian's downstairs in a meeting, and hopefully as soon as he's done that, we're gonna be able to leave and go get our tree. And I also need to grab some stuff for dinner. Tonight I'm making one of Giada De Laurentiis's pasta recipes that I've wanted to try for a while. For my birthday last year, Sebastian bought me her cookbook and I loved so many of the things that I've tried from it. So maybe over Vlogmas, I will show you guys some of my favorites from her cookbook. Let me know if you guys like to see recipes that are like not my personal recipes, but just things that I make out of cookbooks. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready for the day while this exports. Vlog is up. It's like 3 o'clock. We're going to leave to go get our tree now. It's like the worst day to go get a tree. It's pouring outside.
It is the worst day. It's so dark and gloomy and rainy.
Did you say gloomy and brainy?
No, gloomy.
Gloomy and...
Isn't that a word?
Gloomy is a word. This is an unusual perspective. I'm in the driver's seat today. I'm going to be driving down to the Christmas tree farm. Sebastian has some work to do, so he's going to be working on his computer. We made it and we're alive. We survived.
The weather is really,
it's so really scary. I can't see out of any of the windows. Also, I don't know what is with this vehicle, but I can't see over. I can't shoulder check on my right side because Sebastian's too big. You big tree.
It's not in the way.
No,
too.
it's you in the way.
Oh, okay.
You're
so
always
maybe
in the way.
Next time I should
can't
sit
see
behind
past your
you.
head because normally I would look through the back window, but your head is always blocking it.
So do you want me to sit behind you like you're my Uber driver and I just sit on the back seat?
No.
Would that help?
No.
Why not?
Are these them?
No.
They smell so good.
You can smell the trees you're looking for?
Yeah, I can smell them from here.
I can smell trees.
No, there's like 3. They said they were getting 600 today.
The grand firs are not grand this year. They only have small ones. They might have to go to a different lot.
So we made a quick pit stop at Starbucks right now. We grabbed a chestnut praline latte. We're gonna share one of these protein boxes. We love these ones because they're actually pretty decently healthy. It's just chicken, a dip, and then some baby carrots and cucumbers. And we're going to try to figure out what we're gonna do about the tree because as it stands, nowhere has the large grand firs. And I really don't want to get a different type of tree because I don't even know how to decorate other types. I know that the branches on other trees are really flimsy, and what I really like about the grand firs is that they have pretty stable branches, and I have a lot of heavy decorations. We're gonna look it up and see if we can find anything though. It doesn't smell that good. I'm so sad. This one smells like Christmas.
Which one? This one? Yeah.
The grand, but it's so small. I'm almost as tall as it. I can't give up. I need to find a grand fir. None of them are as grand as the grand firs. We're stopping at Bulk Bar and I have to grab some stuff to make dinner tonight. And they have the best selection of spices and it's great because you don't have to buy the whole jar of them. So I'm getting some pink peppercorns. Not this aisle.
Christmassy in here.
It is so Christmassy in here. Oh, here we go. Apparently these aren't real pepper, it's like a berry or something. Well, Giada says I need them, so I need them. Oh, that should be good.
So what do you need to get?
I need to get frozen peas and lemon.
Okay.
Alright, so we are back home. I kind of feel like this vlog is such a fail because we didn't get the Christmas tree 2 days in a row, but they said they're getting more on Wednesday. I probably won't even vlog it at this point. Every time I say I'm gonna get a Christmas tree, I come home empty-handed. Everything I've planned is not working out. So I was planning on making this lemon and pea Alfredo, which looks like this, and I had these special fusilli noodles that I have been saving and meaning to make for such a long time, and I was honestly saving them for this recipe from Giada, which I'm still gonna make, but I'm gonna use farfalle noodles instead, just like basic noodles. But then I noticed that the bag was completely open. The bag of the pasta was completely open, and I was like, this is weird. I don't know how this would have gotten open. And I saw little holes on the back of the pasta, and this is gonna sound so gross. I'm glad I didn't film it because you guys probably would have lost your appetite, but I opened up the bag and I was like, I feel like there are bugs in here because there's a type of bug that goes into flour and any kind of pasta and will eat them. So I open up the bag, pour the bag out, and see there are like hundreds. Like I literally just got goosebumps. Hundreds of bugs. Whatever kind of bug it is that eats pasta and flour and grains was in the bag, and there was holes in all of the noodles. The packaging had a paper bottom, and you'd think that the company that sold the pasta would know that bugs go into grains and flours and stuff like that. So you would expect that the bottom would be plastic too. So I'm gonna make this and show you guys how I make it. But I'm excited to see how this turns out. If you guys are interested in making this, you guys could screenshot this. Good. I'm hoping it tastes really good. So Sebastian and I are gonna have this and watch some Vlogmas videos. Dinner ended up being amazing. Both Sebastian and I loved it. I actually had seconds, which I normally don't do with pasta because I get so full from it so fast, but it was really, really good. Definitely recommend that if you guys are into pasta. I know some people aren't, especially if you're watching your carbs and stuff like that, but it's the holidays, and around the holidays I tend to eat less healthy because I don't have that much time. Because pasta is so quick to prepare and make, I usually tend to gravitate towards those dishes. So because I'm having a crappy day, nothing ended up working out. Not even the pasta I wanted to use for my dish tonight. Sebastian went to Walmart and he's grabbing us some stuff to make some Christmas treats. Last year we didn't really get to make any and I was really disappointed, so I felt like maybe this will cheer me up. I'm gonna try to enjoy the rest of my evening. Sebastian and I are gonna make some treats. We're not making anything too complicated. I just wanted to make something like fun. When we're at Bulk Barn, I'll show you guys. So our treats tonight are inspired by these sprinkles. These are the Twinkle Sprinkle Medley sprinkles, which look like this. They're so cute. Look at that. There's so many different types of sprinkles in there. I mean, you could totally probably make this yourself. We're making Christmas crack, I think it's called. It looked really good. I looked it up on Pinterest, so we're gonna try that out. All the recipes I saw used white chocolate though, and I don't like white chocolate, so we're gonna swap that out for peppermint, not peppermint, candy cane Hershey Kisses. I mean, I think that they're actually made with white chocolate, but I can't taste the white chocolate because they've added the candy cane flavor. Sebastian's back. He's got the stuff. We're gonna make some treats. This looks really good, and I've been seeing it everywhere in different varieties or different variations of this Christmas crack. This is the one that we're going to make. It looks really good. We're going to use my favorites, which are these candy cane Hershey Kisses. I make fudge with these and I love it. We're also going to make these. I've always wanted to try these. I think they look so yummy, and I love chocolate with pretzels. So for the Christmas crack, we need 1 cup of butter. You want to get the butter out? We need 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 stack of saltine crackers, 1 pound of chocolate. It says almond bark, but we're using the Hershey Kisses. And then red and green food coloring and some sprinkles. I'm so excited we have a use for these. So we need 1 cup. So it says we need to melt the butter and brown sugar over medium heat, bring to a boil, and stir while boiling for 5 minutes. Kind of sounds like we're making caramel. Line a cookie sheet with aluminum foil. Maybe we should use parchment. Place crackers evenly on foil pan. Cute. Kind of nervous that the green wouldn't turn out at all. It didn't turn out that great because obviously the candy cane kisses are already pink, but it still looks pretty cute. I'm nervous that the candy cane flavor will not go with the butter, the caramel flavor though. I never even thought about that before I actually decided to make it this way.
I didn't think about it either.
Well, I hope it turns out okay. If not, we'll be honest. Okay, so now let's make the other ones. I've always wanted to try them. Although I feel like Smarties might have been better than M&M's because I love Smarties.
Maybe, yes.
So excited to try these. They look so cute.
Awesome.
Although some of them melted a little bit too much, like this one here. I think the oven was just too warm. It's the next day now, and we let the fudge, not fudge, what is this stuff called again?
Crack.
Crack.
Christmas crack.
We left the Christmas They left the Christmas crack overnight to harden up. We're going to cut up the Christmas crack and try it. I'm really excited.
Me too.
But a little bit nervous because I feel like maybe the candy cane Hershey's will not go that well with the caramel flavor.
Really? You think
I didn't think this one through when I was like planning it in my head. I was like, I just don't want white chocolate. I guess we could have used milk chocolate, but then we wouldn't have had the colorful swirls unless we used white chocolate and then like colored them. So maybe if we do this again, we can use milk chocolate. we have some plated, and I think these ones are so cute. And they seem like they'd be really great for pictures just because they're so colorful. And these ones are obviously really colorful too, but just a little bit more basic. So which one are you gonna try first?
This one.
This one? Okay, I'll try this one first.
This one is really good.
This one tastes like a chocolate covered pretzel. It's not too shocking, but I still love it.
Yeah? I really love this one. The crack is so good. I actually like it better than just normal bark.
Really?
Yeah, and I think it's because of the crackers.
Yeah, like the saltiness?
Yeah, but also the
yet.
texture.
One sec, let me see.
I really like the texture and the saltiness of the crackers.
Oh, it's even good with the candy cane. This is so good.
This is really good too. But I like this one I think a little bit better because
this one kind of tastes like what it looks like. But I still love it.
Yeah, this one is, yeah, I don't know.
I think these are good party food.
Yeah, that's
like
true.
Make for a party because they're so easy to make.
Yeah.
I was thinking the candy cane wouldn't be good. I was honestly really worried. I kept thinking about it last night. I was like,
Really?
crap, I probably ruined that treat. I'm not a baker. I don't put these things together in my head first, so I'm like really happy that it worked out.
Yeah, but you always make amazing things. But you know what's actually funny? That these two have something common. They both have the kind of cracker, salty bottom part, and then chocolate on top, and M&Ms on top. It wasn't actually planned.
I didn't even know this needed M&Ms until I read it on the recipe after we were making it. I was like, that's perfect. I already got them.
And you bought the sprinkles.
I know.
Just because you like them so
I was
much.
looking up treats because I was like, I just want to get in a better mood now because I'm having such a bad day. I was like, I just want to use my sprinkles. And then I saw this one and I was like, oh, it's got sprinkles on it. I can use my sprinkles. And this was everywhere. I don't know why. I've never heard of this before, but it was everywhere. All over Pinterest, all over like Google searches.
Really?
Different versions.
Maybe it's new.
I think I invented the candy cane version. Just kidding. That's gonna be it for today's vlog, guys. I'm sorry if this was not the most interesting vlog because we literally just looked for a Christmas tree and did some baking and cooking. But in the event that you did enjoy today's vlog, please leave this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And of course, if you want to, I love when you guys leave me comments. It makes my day. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next vlog. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Merry Christmas.